So, good morning. Good morning guys. So, nandito tayo sa Mr. Gun Range. Magpapile lang kami ng mga kaibigan. This is my first time vlog on firing range. See you next video. So, welcome back to my channel. Nasa loob tayo ng shooting range. We are preparing our guns, our ammunition. So, hintay lang guys. Medyo, as you can see, there's a lot. One person is right now. So, this is my first time vlog on fire. So, please subscribe and watch our videos. Thank you. Set up pa ni Anthony yung range namin. So, mahilig ba magbaril-baril? So we are in Texas right now. So ito, di bawal magkaroon ng baril, sariling baril, as long na hindi ka kriminal. You can buy guns on any dealer. Pag na-approve ka, background check and approve. Pag na-approve ka, nasa iyo na ang baril. You can keep it at home. By the way, license, kapag license carrier ka naman, mas madali. So mas madaling makakuha ng gun ng mahaba, AR-15, 9mm, 1911, 45 ACP. So madaling makakuha ng gun. So pag nasa Texas ka, lahat legal. So walang legal dito. Pag illegal, alam nyo na kung saan nakukuha yun. See you in the next video.